It was my only must-have on my shopping list when I came to work here, that I needed to have Navigator. Quite simply, we couldn't operate without it. I knew the system, and to enable me to function correctly and all of the people around me, we needed something that was just going to bring everything together, give us control, information, and ultimately we can provide or create monthly accounts so we know where we are, rather than some people who may wait till the end of the year to wonder how they've done. We simply couldn't manage what we do today without Navigator. The shop and also parts associated with the caravan sort of business, there are thousands of lines, because Navigator doesn't only tell us what we have, but it's programmed with what we can have. We have a full price list built in, so we can advise customers, we can order things easily. We'd be lost without it. We have increased the number of service technicians that work for us now, because as the business has grown, we have more repeat customers. There are fewer caravan dealers around now, so we're expecting to have quite an increase in service customers who want us to service and repair their vehicle. And we need to be able to manage that. You need a system that allows you to sort of work efficiently. One thing I've always loved about Navigator since 2008, when I first started using it, makes life a dream. We save money. We don't have to have offices full of people in the back going through accounts, etc. It's all particularly simple to use, and everything is connected, and that's the key thing, so that the sales department, the shop, the service department and accounts, it's all really just one system. There's no fights, nothing's lost in translation, it's just all connected. If you're looking for a system to enable you to run your business more efficiently, and you've got anything to do with caravans and motorhomes, this is the one.